Again, I am inside the auditorium, just giving out 4 new blanc sewing machine to 4 families. As you can see them, they are very happy to receive a sewing machine. They have been doing that for a long time, but not having the possibility to have a new one sewing machine. So you can see them, and some of them will explain what the sewing machine means to them and to the family.
Yeah.
She has 9 children, and you can understand having 9 children in this difficult country, what that means. Now, with the sewing machine, she will be able at least to work and have something to help his family. She is very happy and want to express her thanks to the board of Liberty Church and to all members of Liberty Church for providing this new sewing machine for her.
Je dis merci tout avec promotion.
And you want to thank the people of Liberty Church who have provided the machine for her.
Content pile.
She is very, very, very happy. Her name is Janet Avril from Etunge. He has 2 children to suffer. Donc what he do, he has been doing sewing for some time. Est-ce que ça machine veut dire coup?
Ça veut dire un pile bagay pour moi.
The sewing machine will make many things to her.
Moi dis un pile merci avec une promotion.
And she want to say the people of Liberty Church.
Parce que me pas de moyen pour moi pour m'acheter machine
She did not have the possibility to have this machine.
Pour nia machine ça va aider moi avec ti moun yo.
Now the sewing machine will help her to assist his family, his children.
Il a aidé m'avancer tout avec programme projet moi gen devant moi.
The machine will help her also with her project.
Un pile merci.
Thank you.
Meilleur coude.